Hey, welcome to Rambling on RV. We're glad you're here. So Donna and I, in our never-ending attempt to provide you more and interesting content, we went down to Johnny Walker RV right here in the Las Vegas Valley. It is family owned and operated, and we met up with Walker Fitch. And yes, that's his first name, and yes, he's part of the Johnny Walker family. He belongs to the family. He's a family member. Anyway, nice guy, right?
He was a nice guy.
And he toured us through a beautiful fifth wheel.
This is a Heartland Big Country 2020. And the number is a 3902 FL. FL stands for front living.
That's right, and we are partial to anything front living, rear living, anything that has separated living spaces in it. Donna likes the front kitchen models a lot of times. This particular unit is absolutely beautiful, right?
Yeah, it was really pretty.
So you enjoy this, and at the end, Donna and I each have one item that we really liked about this fifth wheel and one item that we would do differently or that we didn't much care for. So stay with us.
Hey, you could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Hey guys, we're here with Walker Fitch. He's with Johnny Walker RV. He's actually a member of the family. And we stopped by, we're gonna check out this Big Country by Heartland. He's telling us this is a nice rig, so we just wanna look it over.
So this is really very pretty. It's got the dark wood colors and pretty light fixtures up there. Just probably like a two-person coach. It's just got.
It actually has the leaf in the middle, so you can actually separate those at the table, and it'll actually have a leaf that'll walk right under it, and then
Cool.
give you 2 extra chairs underneath the bed.
Chair. Balances. So this has a double sink.
Absolutely solid Corian countertops with the 70/30 sink,
Yeah, absolutely.
residential style. You've got the larger, nicer digital oven with the U burner, so you don't burn everything on the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
You also get the convection and residential microwave in here as well, so it's more like your home rather than an RV per se.
With the closed burners. And then is this 18 cubic feet?
18 cubic foot gas electric.
Very nice. Let's look at the
This is all
pantry.
set up.
I love the pantry. Very nice. It's a good amount of space. Push that about that far. Not soft closed cabinets. TV. That's
TV in
nice.
the bed, or TV in the kitchen.
Right?
And you can use, that's a nice coffee station.
Oh, there's your hookup down your hot water, or what is that, the
Fuse
breaker?
box. Yep, fuse box and breaker.
Right, and then in here, oh, there's a place for trash can. Actually give you the trash can, that's kind of nice. Electrical outlet, there's 3 more drawers here. There's a drawer under the stove. Quite a bit of drawers.
A lot of storage.
That's a
in terms of
deep
drawers
cabinet
and
right
storage.
there. That goes way back. That goes all the way back to that. And that's nice too. Pretty good size. So, oh, there's the half bath. Very cool. You can go back to the bedroom. There's just 2 drawers. Or 2
Cabinets.
doors rather. Yeah, 2 cabinets. It goes really high though, so you could do more storage up there. And it's got that's not a fantastic fan there, but that one is.
Give you one of the living space in terms of heat. Should have the whisper quiet air conditioning systems in here as well. So your inducts are right there. Everything is ultra quiet. You also have that in your bedroom area as well, so it's a dual system.
There's little lights on the step. 4K TV, a nice size one too. I love the horizontal fireplace with it's a Furrion, so it'll heat, and it's got the gel crystals. It's very pretty, very modern.
Central back. I actually believe I think it's in that one spot we were just down here. I might be wrong. But it's just So right now we have this big country listed at $79.9. It's on sale at the moment. If you come in, I'm sure we can get you a much better deal than that. But come on in and check it out. We would love to have you.
Probably in the closet.
It's
So
normally in the closet.
But you didn't see
that's
it?
your storage, right?
Yeah, under bed storage. There's the extra chairs. Is that a king size?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have the residential size king in here. It's also equipped to have your washer dryer as well, along with the whisper quiet air conditioning systems in here. Even with just the single AC running in fair weather, it does a pretty good job. So you don't have to have 50 amp service all the time.
Walker, does it have 2 air conditioners?
Absolutely.
Total?
Absolutely. You have plenty of clothing storage in here. You have your closet over there, and as you can see, plenty of drawers going down. You have 4 drawers on each side for his and hers. You have the residential deep bowl toilet in here as well. It's a porcelain toilet, along with plenty of bathroom storage. You have his and hers on both sides, along with her 3 drawers right here. And you also get the nice tall walk-in shower with the seat as well. So basically on the big country you're on a drop frame chassis, which means you basically have a normal I-beam frame that goes down below, then they have a welded piece that drops down a little bit lower. What that does is instead of having that level pivot right here from having basically only this much storage, because you lose about 11 or 12 inches right there, you have a full deep storage right here. So although this is small up front, where they make up for it is all in the rear. You have an enormous amount of exterior storage in the rear. Actually, what we're going to do first is we're going to carry around to the other side real quick. So, you also have it all pre-cut for a generator up here. If you don't want to put a generator in, you can just use this as storage as well, or a large battery bank, however you want to put it. And on this side, what's kind of cool is you have all of your water connections. It's going to be similar to a lot of the fifth wheels out there, but this one comes with a full cycled water filter throughout the whole rig. Your auto level system's right there, so when you hop out of the truck, you can walk to the same side of the rig and just press the button and let yourself get all set up. Now we'll check out the cool spots in the back. Another really cool thing on this rig, along with the huge storage back here, is you actually have an electric power reel for your power cable.
Definitely a good feature to have.
Wow.
So they give you quite a bit of space in here in terms of the exterior storage, though it is a little bit smaller. They're all magnetic. If they don't have a gas pump, they have a magnetic connection to hold it up. And they're also equipped with a 2-inch receiver for cargo capacity in the back. It's not meant for towing, so just use it as a bike rack or storage rack. Absolute camera access if you ever wanted to install one, and roof access as well.
which is kind of nice for rain and whatever. And then this whole back end has another awning. Just wanted to take a minute and thank Walker for showing us the RVs today. We're at Johnny Walker RV in Las Vegas. It's on Boulder Highway. They actually have 2 locations.
Three
the other
locations.
one, 3 locations. The other one is down the street a bit, and the third
Other
one.
one's down that way.
All right, all right. So check them out. They've got whatever you need, whatever you're interested in, and check them out on the website. The website is,
jwrv.com.
and we'll put that in the link down below.
Absolutely. Thank
Thanks.
you guys so much as well. I really appreciate your
Absolutely.
time.
Thanks, you
No,
guys.
thank you. Hey, well, we hope you enjoyed what you just saw. Again, if you like it, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. So we're going to tell you, we each have one thing we like, and we each have one thing we don't care for, we don't like that much about this RV. Just our opinions, and do with that what you want. So Donna, what was your favorite thing about this RV?
Probably my favorite thing was the pantry. It was really, really deep. It didn't have a light in it, but that's okay. Those are pretty easy to put in. But yeah, it was really deep, and there was lots of space for, I like my appliances.
I will tell you that I like, yeah, you do. I like the front living area. I like the whole way it was laid out, the color scheme, the dark wood. I really, that ribbed glass accents on the cabinetry in there caught my eye, and it wasn't overpowering, but I thought it added just a nice touch to the look of that living room area. And Donna, what was the one thing you could live without on this RV?
Well, I'm not a fan of dinettes. I just don't think people use dinettes anymore. We tend to have dinner on our couch, and in our RV currently, we've got a coffee table that has a lift top to it, which is kind of nice, because then we sit in our recliners and we still have a table. So yeah, not a fan of the dinette. I would rather have a desk or a dedicated office area, something like that. But don't forget to let us know what you like and
Yeah,
dislike as well.
put it in the comments, okay?
What didn't you like, Carl?
Oh, you know what? I will tell you another thing that I liked. I am remiss. That's what I do. The storage area, outside storage area, is amazing in this RV. So check that out for sure. I'm sure you did. And then the thing I didn't like, I'm trying to think. Do you remember what I didn't like? I don't either.
The bathroom?
No, I like the bathroom a lot. See you next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.